I'm Gary Rabine, CEO of the Rabine Group and Rabine Paving America. So our business started in 1981 paving driveways in Northern Illinois. I had experienced the paving industry throughout high school working for a small paving company in Northern Illinois, North Shore suburbs. And at 18 years old, I realized I wasn't going to college, didn't have any financial support, and didn't have the money to put myself through college. So I had the opportunity to buy some old junky paving equipment, and a couple buddies of mine said they'd help me and were my laborers, and started knocking on doors in Northern Illinois paving driveways. 10 years later, we were a couple $1 million company. Through the 90s, we started doing parking lots and small roads and things like that. 1990s to 2001, we got to about $6 million in revenues. And we're one of the bigger parking lot companies in the Chicagoland area. We had some big battles at that point. We were a small company, a $6 million company, not a very big company, but at the time, had some major battles with the unions in the Chicago market. Our team of people, laborers and operators and drivers and myself, didn't think we had to belong to a union. This is America. There's no reason we need to join a union if our team doesn't want it. We fought them for a couple of years, and at the end of the fight, we were about broke and ended up signing an agreement with the unions. And from there on, we've continued to grow. At that time, we had to change the market we were in to heavy commercial industrial markets, more union related in the Chicagoland market, and grew our company from that time, 2001, at $6 million in revenues, to today. This year we'll do somewhere in the neighborhood of 160 to 170 million of total sales. So today we're a group of companies called the Rabine Group. These Rabine Group of companies focuses on facilities, owners, and managers across the country today. We still do a lot of work in the Chicagoland area, but are growing across the country. In growing from that non-union small company to a union company in the Chicagoland area, the speed we've grown over a couple thousand% in a 10-year period, we had to discover differentiation in order to get in the door to meet with and create value for clients that used other people in the past. We've taken that model and got into the roofing industry 4 years ago. So in the roofing industry, we have passionate experts that we've hired that run that business, and engineers that support that business. But we've taken the same model of great customer service and engineering and brought it to the roofing side now. Our company, Roofing Solutions America, is a company that's growing also along with Rabine Paving America, delivering these services to every major property owner we serve across the country. Our businesses are surrounded by passion and people that are passionate about what they do. To feed the fire of that passion, we create a roadmap. It's called the Rabine Group Roadmap to the Future. So this roadmap shows where we were at 20 years ago and 10 years ago to 5 years ago to today, and then it projects 5 and 10 years out, year by year. So it basically says where we're going, where our growth is going to be, and where the opportunity is going to be for managers in our business, for laborers in our business that want to be supervisors, for supervisors that want to be VPs or executives in our business. And I sincerely believe that it's very important to create that roadmap in anything you do in life. If it's a business, if it's government, without it, I think the lack of clarity creates a lack of drive.